So we're about to construct a multi-story building, and I asked Ben to go to the market and purchase some biscuits for the construction. So I gave him $2,000, which is equivalent to about 2.6 million naira in Nigeria. Ben went down to the market and purchased these biscuits. Just look at it. This is what Ben purchased, biscuits, and he brought biscuits worth 2.6 million naira to the office. Plenty biscuits. And I was like, Ben, what are these for? Are these for birthday? He said no, that these are the biscuits I sent him to go and purchase from the market. I couldn't look at Ben. I was short of words. I was shocked. I sat Ben down and explained to him that this was not the biscuit I was referring to. I was talking about Concrete Biscuits. He said, what is concrete biscuit? Then I told him, these are small blocks of concrete that are usually tied to reinforcement so that they would act as concrete cover, because when you are pouring your concrete into the formwork after you've placed your reinforcement, it is advisable that you leave a space between the reinforcement and the edge of the concrete so that the reinforcement will not be exposed to the atmosphere and they won't lose their property. For once reinforcement is exposed to the atmosphere, it is always oxidized and it rusts very fast, and the moment it rusts, it won't function for the purpose of which it was placed inside the concrete work. After all the explanation, I told Ben to go back and return the entire biscuit back to the convenience store where he had purchased it, so that he can easily go to the market and purchase concrete biscuit for the construction. Guess what? When Ben went back to the office, he discovered that the entire biscuit had been eaten by my staffs in the office. Now I don't know what to do to those people. I'm devastated. I want you all to tell me in the comment section what you would want me to do to all my staff that ate up biscuits worth of 2.6 million naira, which was meant for concrete construction work. See you in the next video.